Hey guys, this is Malinki. Welcome back to my channel, Voice of Malinki. Today we will talk about meristematic tissue of plants. And if you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel. And if you like my video, please do like, comment and share my video. So a plant is made up of two types of tissues, meristematic tissue and permanent tissue. So in today's lecture, we will talk about meristematic tissue. Meristematic tissue consists of undifferentiated cells capable of cell division. Okay, so undifferentiated cells are usually like our stem cells. They undergo cell division and produce different types of cells, right, which are required for the plant growth. So in Greek, meristos means divided. Now there are two types of meristematic tissues, primary meristem and secondary or lateral meristem. Primary meristem is present from the beginning. That means from the birth of a plant and contribute to the primary growth of plant. Now primary growth is the vertical growth. That is increase in length of shoot and root. That is the primary growth. Secondary meristem is formed later in life when a plant grows till a height and contributes to secondary growth of plant. So secondary growth is the horizontal growth, that is increase in diameter or thickness of plant. That is secondary growth. So is it clear what is the difference between primary growth and secondary growth? Primary growth is the increase in length of shoot and root, that is the vertical growth, and secondary growth is increase in diameter or increase in thickness of tissues, so that is the horizontal growth. Now secondary meristem develops from the permanent cells due to de-differentiation. Now de-differentiation is exactly opposite of differentiation. That means already differentiated permanent cells transform into less differentiated form and generate secondary meristem. So it is a reverse order. Now primary meristem is further divided into shoot and root apical meristem, axillary bud and intercalary meristem. So shoot and root apical meristems occur at the tips of shoot and root. Now when shoot elongates like these, some cells left behind from shoot apical meristem. So here, some cells are left behind from shoot apical meristem and they constitute the axillary bud. So you can see these all are axillary bud. Such buds are present in the axils of leaves, like this. Now, they are capable of forming a branch like this or a flower like this. So, these are axillary buds. Now, the meristem, which occurs in the length of the middle position like these, you can see here, they are known as intercalary meristem. They occur in grasses. When grazing herbivores such as cows, goats eat grasses, these intercalary meristem regenerate those removed parts and help plants grow. So, suppose a cow is coming like that and it eats this upper part. So, the intercalary meristem that is present here will help the plant to grow again. Coming to the secondary or lateral meristem, some examples of secondary meristem are vascular meristem, vascular cambium, cork cambium and root cambium. So, you can see this is the vascular cambium. It helps to increase the diameter of stem. You can see this is the cork cambium. It helps to increase the diameter of hard, stiff bark of the tree. And here you can see some root cambium. They help to increase the thickness of root.